Hello and welcome again to my channel. I'm David, a financial analyst for over 28 years. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the role of fundamental analysis in Forex trading. When it comes to Forex trading, there are two main types of analysis: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis focuses on charts and market indicators. Fundamental analysis is all about the underlying economic factors that affect currency values. In this video, I will delve into the world of fundamental analysis in Forex trading, exploring its role, key concepts, and how to use it to your advantage. But what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the intrinsic value of a currency pair by analyzing economic, financial, and other qualitative and quantitative factors that affect the currency's value. These factors include economic indicators. These are statistics released by government agencies and private organizations that provide insights into the health of an economy. Examples of economic indicators include gross domestic product, inflation rates, and employment rates. Geopolitical events. Political events, such as elections, political instability, and trade agreements, can have a significant impact on currency values. Natural disasters, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods, can also affect currency values, particularly in countries that are heavily dependent on natural resources. Central bank policy. The monetary policies of central banks, such as interest rate decisions and quantitative easing programs, can have a significant impact on currency values. Market sentiment. This refers to the overall mood or attitude of traders and investors towards a particular currency pair. This sentiment can be influenced by a wide range of factors, including news events, rumors, and social media. How to use fundamental analysis in Forex trading. Fundamental analysis can be a powerful tool for Forex traders, as it provides a deeper understanding of the underlying factors that affect currency values. Here are some tips for using fundamental analysis in your Forex trading. Keep an eye on economic indicators. They can provide valuable insights into the health of an economy and its currency. By comparing economic data releases and reports, you can see which economy is strengthening the most, identify potential trading opportunities, and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Stay abreast of central bank policy. Central banks play a crucial role in determining interest rates and monetary policy, which can have a significant impact on currency values. By following central bank announcements and policy decisions, you can gain insights into potential trading opportunities. Monitor geopolitical events. These can have a significant impact on currency values, particularly in countries that are heavily dependent on trade, such as China and the so-called commodity currencies. By keeping up to date with political developments around the world, you can stay ahead of the curve and identify potential trading opportunities. Consider the impact of market sentiment. It can be a powerful driver of currency values. By paying attention to news events, rumors, and social media, you can gain a better understanding of market sentiment and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Use a holistic approach. Fundamental analysis is just one part of a trading strategy. To be successful in Forex trading, you need to combine fundamental analysis with your market experience and knowledge, a tailor-made trading plan, proper risk management, and a solid understanding of market psychology. In conclusion, fundamental analysis is a valuable tool for Forex traders, as it provides insights into the underlying economic factors that affect currency values. By following economic indicators, geopolitical events, central bank policy, and market sentiment, you can identify potential trading opportunities and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. However, It's important to remember that fundamental analysis is just one part of a trading strategy, and should be combined with other analysis techniques for optimal results. Thank you for watching this video. I hope what you have learned today will help you in your trading. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and if you are interested in other educational videos on the world of trading and financial markets, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This way, you will be updated with all my newest videos.